I added a new sound bank to the Elektra sound set. The sound set replaces the stock male voice callouts with a female voice. It will be at sound bank 3. To get to sound bank 3, you have to have the +1 and the +2 dip switches set like this.
Elektra. You have been exposed to Elektra's radiation. Will you return? You are entering the radiant dimension. Elektra. You have been exposed to Elektra's radiation. Will you return? You are entering the radiant dimension. Elektra. Prepare for the gamma dimension. Prepare for the gamma dimension.
I'll show you here how to create your own custom voices. Go to my website and scroll down to the Squawk and Talk page, and then move down to the bottom of the page. There's a section on creating your own custom sounds, and there's a button on here on how to create your own voices using a text-to-speech website. You'll use Audacity, and you'll use it in a loopback record mode. So first thing you do is you copy all the Elektra sounds. I've got those at the bottom here. And then move to the text-to-speech website. Actually, I already got it open here. And then scroll down to the bottom, and this bottom section is where you can pick your voices. I use Jenny Neural, and I use a friendly style. I slow it down a little bit to 0.8. Actually, it should be about 0.7, but it sounds a little weird. Then I paste the Elektra words into the box off to the left here, and hit play, and now it should be recording.
You are closing on alpha. Elektra time has expired. You have been exposed to Elektra's radiation. Will you return? You have broken the light barrier. Elektra. You are entering the radiant dimension. Prepare for the gamma dimension. Satellites in orbit. Satellite in orbit. Satellite beta in position. Satellite alpha in position.
Now you'll want to grab one of the phrases and highlight it, and then copy this, and then start another new Audacity window and create a new track, a stereo track, and paste the audio track in. Get to the end of it and generate about 0.6 seconds of silence. You need this for the reverb option. And then I kind of get rid of this little marker, and I select all of it, go to the effects menu, and add the reverb. And these are kind of the settings I've been using. You can do a preview.
Satellite alpha in position.
And there it is. And you can save this off and move on to the next phrase.